Have you ever wondered what your life could have been like if you'd only realized the value of a supportive community of like-minded souls and a guiding professional sooner? Maybe you've been trying to tough it out and do it all alone and achieve your goals and aspirations, and it just isn't working. You know, you can start living the life of your dreams and activating your desires. We all have the capacity inside of us to achieve the life that we dream of through a fully supported and guided community. And it's all possible within my Ignite with Regan membership. Bond with a group of like-minded individuals guided by me who have been where you are now and who know how to all make it come together. Ignite with Regan is a monthly membership to light up your life, to support and activate you to up-level, align your soul, and take your practices to a much more deeper and more meaningful place. For only a minimal monthly cost or a flat discounted yearly rate, Ignite with Regan offers you immediate instant access to 6 of my best-selling, most powerful workshops, courses, and activations, including ones on manifestation, money, love, healing, abundance, and purpose. Every single course and activation within the membership is designed to be listened to over and over again so that you can tune in deeply and have that constant companion and guide so that you can take your life deeper. The more committed you are to doing this work and going deep with every single workshop, the further that you will go in your journey. So, how badly do you want to totally up-level your life? It's all just here for the taking. So go ahead, jump into Ignite with Regan. I am super excited to welcome you into the community. You get instant access right now, and I'll see you on the other side.